Is passing on the right always illegal? When is passing permitted? Drivers can only pass another car on a two-way road with one lane of traffic flowing in each direction by merging to the left into the lane in the opposite direction. Although passing is less dangerous when there are several lanes of traffic traveling in the same direction, it is still dangerous. Drivers would only pass other cars in an ideal world if it was absolutely essential. Keep in mind that there are numerous instances where merging into the left lane to pass on a two-way street is not permissible. Moving to the left of the center line to pass another vehicle is not permitted when 1. You cannot pass safely because of the left-hand lane's oncoming traffic. 2. Curves, slopes, or other obstructions obscure your view of oncoming cars. 3. A bridge, a tunnel, or a spot where the road gets narrow, are in your immediate vicinity. 4. The road is marked with no passing zone signs. 5. The center line of the road is a solid shade of yellow on your side. If there is more than one lane of traffic on their side of the road, drivers shouldn't cross the center line to pass other cars. It is far safer to change lanes on your side of the road if passing is essential in this scenario than it is to merge into oncoming traffic. You must never go beyond the posted speed limit or use the unpaved shoulder to pass another vehicle. Crossing railroad tracks and intersections while passing. A railroad crossing or crossroads must be at least 100 feet apart from any passing vehicles. In order to find out the specific distance at which passing is not permitted in your state, consult your driver's manual. If no distance is specified, it is advised to abide by the not within 100 feet rule. Remember that passing is banned near railroad crossings and crossroads, even if the car you are overtaking seems to be stopped for no apparent reason. It's possible that the car in front of you has stopped at an intersection's pedestrian crossing so that someone can cross the street. If you try to drive around them, a pedestrian could get hurt or killed. If a car stops in front of you at a railroad crossing, it probably means that a train is approaching or that they are required by law to stop, as is the case with school buses, hazardous material trucks and other large vehicles. It is unsafe and unlawful to try to pass in this circumstance. Is it prohibited to transfer the right? Passing on the right is riskier than passing on the left since it may involve acceleration in a slower lane of traffic and the vehicle you are passing may not anticipate the action. Except in limited circumstances, passing another vehicle on the right is generally against the law. Drivers may pass on the right, for instance. 1. If the driver in front of them has signaled their impending left turn with their headlights or hands. 2. If the car in front of you is disabled, you should slow down or stop, and the right side of the street has a paved shoulder. 3. When using a one-way street that is sufficiently broad to securely fit the pass. 4. On a road that is clear of barriers, such as parked cars and wide enough to support 2 or more rows of traffic traveling in the same direction. Although there might be certain exclusions or extra circumstances where transferring the right is allowed, these regulations apply to the majority of the United States. Consult your driver's manual to learn the regulations in your area.